In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the average in Excel. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to understand Excel better, mastering the art of computing averages is a skill that can help you interpret data more effectively. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First off, getting access to Excel. If you don't have it installed on your personal computer, no worries. Microsoft offers a free online version of their Office suite, including Excel. Simply go to the official Microsoft 365 online page for free access. Here you can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more straight from your web browser without any cost. It's a fantastic resource for those who need access to these tools but aren't ready to commit to a subscription. Once you've arrived at the Microsoft 365 online page, you'll notice the Sign In option. Clicking on this will prompt you to log in with your Microsoft account. If you haven't got one, you'll need to create it, but the process is straightforward and free. Just follow the steps provided by Microsoft. After you've signed in, it's time to jump into Excel and get to the task at hand. For this demonstration, I'll be using a specific example file, but the process I'm about to describe applies universally across any Excel document where you're looking to calculate an average. In our example, we'll be focusing on how to calculate the average of a range of numbers. Imagine you have a list of numbers in cells D2 to D3 and you want to find their average. This scenario could apply to a wide variety of situations such as averaging scores, financial figures, measurements, and more. To start calculating, click on an empty cell where you'd like the result of the average calculation to appear. This cell will serve as the home for our formula. Excel formulas always begin with an equal sign, signaling to Excel that you're about to perform a calculation. With that in mind, type in the formula =average D2, D3 directly into the cell. The average function is a powerful tool in Excel that takes a range of numbers and returns their mathematical average. In our formula, D2, D3 represents the specific cells containing the numbers you're averaging. After typing in the formula, press enter. Excel will then compute the average of the numbers found in cells D2 and D3, displaying the result in the cell where you typed the formula. It's instant and precise, ensuring you get the information you need with minimal effort. It's worth noting that Excel's average function is versatile. You're not limited to averaging just 2 cells. If you have a longer range or multiple ranges you'd like to include, simply adjust the formula to fit your needs. For example, if you wanted to average numbers from D2 to D10, the formula would be =average D2 D10. One additional tip before we wrap up: Excel formulas, including the average function, can also work across different sheets within the same workbook. So if you're working with data spread out across multiple sheets, you can still easily calculate averages by appropriately referencing the sheet names in your formula. To summarize, calculating averages in Excel is a straightforward process once you're familiar with the average function. By following the simple steps we've outlined today, accessing Excel online, signing in, navigating to your file, selecting your cell, and entering the average formula, you're well equipped to tackle a wide range of data analysis tasks. Whether it's for school, work, or personal projects, understanding how to quickly calculate averages is an invaluable Excel skill that will undoubtedly come in handy, and with that, you now know how to calculate the average in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Excel is a powerful tool with a lot to offer, and mastering even a small portion of its capabilities can significantly enhance your data management and analysis skills. Keep practicing, explore more functions, and soon you'll be leveraging Excel like a pro. Thanks for watching.